Hello everyone, it is Donna Bell from Shabby Chic, Pretty and Sweet. And I wanted to share with you this boho bag that I made for Margotthe Ramos over in our group, Shabby Chic, Pretty and Sweet. We had a secret sister swap and she was my partner. It was for the month of June. Yes, I'm a few days late getting it shipped out. Had a few problems with it, but finally got it finished. And I just love the way that it came out. The handle is a strand of pearls. She can use it. It is made to be used. I do have some goodies down inside there for her. Let's see. Have a little tag that I made, and a doily, and an applique. And then I also have, you can see there's two. I have a pouch with some tags, and there's two pouches here, and then the pouch here. And I may put a few more things in there. But this is my package to her, my gift to her, my secrets for secret sister swap. And that got a little caught up on there. Get that straightened out there. But it's got beads at the bottom, beautiful bridals lace, a handmade flower, and like I said, two pouches here and another pouch here. Some more bridal lace here. And the back has bridal lace as well. And it's this beautiful, beautiful fabric. I mean, I just love the fabric. Love the way this came out. And so that's my swap for her. And I thank y'all. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I will continue to make these kind of videos for y'all. If you like joining in swaps, come on over to Shabby Chic, Pretty and Sweet Facebook group and join us. We have lots of fun there. So thank you, God bless, and bye-bye.